Hey friends, I'm making a silly but fun Mother's Day project that's sure to bring a smile to Mom. Instead of just giving her flowers, why not make something that will secure your spot as the favorite child? To make this project, I'm partnering with HTVRONT and using the Auto Heat Press 2-digit. I've been having a blast with my DTF printer, and this heat press makes applying my transfers so easy. Okay, let's get this going. Once you've plugged in your Auto Heat Press 2, just adjust your screen angle, press the temperature button, and then the plus or minus sign to set your temperature. Next, you want to set the timer. Press the clock button and again the plus or minus button to set the time. Finally, the pressure. You also set this with the plus or minus buttons. That's how easy it is to use. Just adjust your setting to whatever it is you're pressing: heat transfer vinyl, a DTF print, sublimation, whatever. The pull-out tray makes it easy to secure and place your garment, and I love that it extends all the way out, so you're less likely to burn yourself, which can happen with other heat presses. Okay, let's start working on my Mother's Day project. I've decided to make some cute Mother's Day squishies using vintage photos. The first one is a school photo from when I was about 6 years old. Come on, look at that face. Once the image is sized and ripped, I'm going to print it out, add the DTF powder, and cure it for transfer. If you don't have a DTF printer, there are lots of other options. One of my favorite is using a printable heat transfer paper in your inkjet printer. Next, I'm printing a photo of me and my mom. Finally, my baby picture, and unfortunately, I still have that cowlick, and it will not go down. For these DTF prints, I'm setting my heat press at 320 degrees for 15 seconds with 170 pounds pressure. Before I press my transfer onto my cotton, I'm going to press the cotton for a few seconds so that it's nice and flat and all the moisture is out of it. Now I'll place my first transfer on top and place a Teflon sheet over the top. Push in the tray until it clicks in place and then press start. Once it's pressed, just wait for it to cool and reveal your perfect transfer. Now that they're pressed, it's time to cut out some extra layers for the inside and back. Pin all the layers together, making sure the wrong sides are together. Cut all the layers, leaving at least a ½ inch around the shape of the head for seam allowance. Next, stitch the right sides together, leaving a 4-inch long opening. Clip the corners and clip some notches around the curves, and then turn your squishy right side out. Once all of your squishies are right side out, it's time to fill them with stuffing and close the holes. So easy. Your mom is definitely going to get a kick out of these, and so much better than a bouquet. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll leave a link to my HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 in the comments as well. I'm gonna leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want to see content that I don't post anywhere else, check out my Patreon page. And for inspiration, grab any one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I will see you real soon. Bye.